History. Lamborghini, a legendary name in the world of luxury sports cars, was founded by Ferruccio Lamborghini in 1963 in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. Initially, the company specialized in manufacturing tractors, but Ferruccio's passion for high-performance cars led him to create the iconic automobile brand that bears his name today. Early success. Lamborghini's first production car, the 350 GT, was unveiled in 1960 and instantly captured the attention of automotive enthusiasts. The company gained fame for its sleek designs and powerful engines. The Lamborghini Miura, introduced in 1966, is considered one of the world's first supercars and set a new standard for speed and luxury. Best inventions. In 1974, Lamborghini introduced the iconic Countach, featuring a futuristic design and a mid-engine layout. The Diablo, launched in 1990, pushed the boundaries of speed and performance. Lamborghini's commitment to innovation also led to the development of the Lamborghini Aventador and the Huracán, both equipped with V10 and V12 engines, respectively, reaching high peaks in the 21st century. Lamborghini's adaptability in the 21st century is evident through its foray into SUVs with the Urus, a high-performance luxury SUV introduced in 2018. This move expanded Lamborghini's market reach without compromising its commitment to power and style. Additionally, Lamborghini has explored hybrid and electric technologies in line with evolving environmental standards. Current status. Today, Lamborghini is a subsidiary of the Volkswagen Group, yet it retains its distinct Italian flair. The brand continues to produce high-performance sports cars and supercars that blend exquisite craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Models like the Lamborghini Huracán Evo and the Lamborghini Aventador exemplify Lamborghini's dedication to speed and innovation. As of March 2023, Lamborghini generated revenue of $2.6 billion. The company's limited production and exclusivity contribute to its premium status in the luxury automotive market, even 7 decades after its foundation.